Hey, I'm Joseph. I live in Graf Athens and I am 14 years old. I am in second grade of middle high school. I want to be a Palmer. That's all I have to say. Now I will say, now I will tell you about Hercules. Hercules was a semi-god. He was Zeus' son. He's a popular hero, renowned for his strength and muscles. He took part to 12 challenges and he passed them all. Two of his most famous challenges were with Hydra, a monster, and with a unbeatable lion. I look
Hello, my name is Apostoli and I am 13 years old. I go to the third junior high school of Zographou. In my free time, I like reading books, watching movies on Netflix, going for walks with my friends, going for a bike ride, and I also like going shopping. I have brown eyes, brown hair, and I am of medium height. As a personality, I think I am a bit intense and sometimes maybe a bit irritating. But I always try to improve myself and become better. 4 years ago, I had visited Italy and I liked the food in Venezia and Rome. I hope we are gonna have a good cooperation. Goddess Athena, the goddess of wisdom, strategy, and war, was the daughter of Zeus and Metis. As Hesiod tells us in his Theogony, Gaia advised Zeus that the child she would give birth to would surpass him in strength of wisdom. So he showed Metis, fearing that he would suffer the same fate as his father Cronos. After a while, he began to suffer from severe headaches and called Hephaestus to help him. Hephaestus hit his head with a large hammer, and goddess Athena has thrown from his side.
I'm Danae, a 13-year-old girl with a wide range of interests. When I have some free time, you will often find me on the tennis court, hanging out with my friends or cooking delicious dishes. I also have a passion for playing the piano and diving into the world of European literature through captivating books. Apart from Greek, which is my native language, I also speak English and German. Also, I have two sisters, one older and one younger. While we may have our fair share of arguments, the love I have for them is immeasurable. The bond between siblings is truly special. I'm excited to get to know other peers from European schools, exchange ideas, and cooperate on projects of common interest. Hippocrates. Hippocrates was an ancient Greek physician who lived during Greece's classical period and is traditionally regarded as the father of medicine. Throughout his life, Hippocrates appeared to have traveled widely in Greece and Asia Minor, practicing his art and teaching his pupils, and he presumably taught at the medical school in island Kos quite frequently. Medical practice has advanced significantly since Hippocrates' day. However, today, Hippocrates continued to represent the humane ethical aspects of the medical profession, mainly through the Hippocratic Oath, although he probably did not write it. The Hippocratic writings, which as earnest they desire to help and lacking technical jargon, have inspired physicians for millennia. Now I will recite a part of the Hippocrates' Oath. This oath is taken by doctors before they start working. Όμνημοι Απόλλωνα ιατρών και Ασκληπιών και Αιγίαν και Πανάκιαν και Θεούς πάντα τε και πάσας, ίστορες ποιημένος, επιτελέα ποιήσιν κατά δύναμη και κρίσιν, έμειν όρκον τόρδε και εξυγγραφήν τίνδε.
Hello, my name is Faye. I am 13 years old and I go at the second grade of middle high school. I enjoy playing strategy and adventure games on mobile or other devices. My favorite thing is philosophy and law, which I spend most of my time reading. I mostly write theories based on my knowledge and my memories. My biggest dream is to become a lawyer since I was young. I always believed that justice is the most important in this world, which is the main reason of my dream. Now I will be saying some things about Plato. Plato was an ancient Greek philosopher born in Athens during the classical period. He founded the academy where he taught the philosophy.